ESA BIC Portugal is an incubation program that supports startups that want to use space assets to lever their business in non-space markets. It is, of course, supported by the European Space Agency, and when you join ESA BIC Portugal, you join a network of more than 15 incubators that so far have supported more than 400 startups. So this is the network that you join. ESA BIC Portugal, as an incubation program, you can incubate either in Coimbra, in Instituto Pedro Nunes, in Porto, in UPTEC, or in the Lisbon area in DNA Cascais.
We are very proud to be part of ESA BIC network. It is very important for us to be part of this network because of three reasons. First, it allows us to raise the awareness of this space industry in our market, talking with entrepreneurs and other stakeholders. The second reason is the networking experience with other members of this ESA BIC network. We have been sharing a lot of experience with them, and all partners in this network have learned a lot just talking with each other. The third reason is the knowledge transfer. It's incredible, the knowledge transfer that ESA is putting into these members of this ESA BIC network, and this allows us to be in the front edge of this industry and allowing entrepreneurs to receive information before many other players receive it.
Really very important to work in this area. The University of Porto has lots of potential and lots of researchers and lots of units doing work in these fields of space technologies. And we have lots of researchers that are really doing his research in an applied way. So this is a really big opportunity for them to create their own business, to create their own startup with all the support that the European Space Agency gives regarding with the technologies. That's why they apply. They are very interested in the technologies that are developed by the European Space Agency.
ESA BIC will not only open us doors to meet with the key players on the aeronautics business, as well as preparing all the certification required for the product.
ESA BIC has a strategic importance for disseminating the project results. I mean, we are a small team, and it's important to have these partners for promoting our developments.
By that time, we saw the ESA BIC program in Portugal, and we understood that this would be the best partner that we could have ever had.
ESA BIC was really important to us because it gave us credibility for other external investors, for customers, and it also helped us a lot to develop the product by the funding scheme.
Being on ESA BIC gives us access to experts all over Europe, business opportunities with big players in space technology, a huge exposure of our developments, and sharing experience with other fellow ESA BIC companies that can evolve into business partnerships.
ESA BIC was really important for us because it allowed us to have funding first for the first production and also as a brand of recognition when talking with other retailers, investors or even customers.
The importance of the ESA BIC program has been crucial for us. Since then we have learned a lot, the help of the ESA BIC program in all of these things, from reaching customers to reaching people to collaborating with other ESA BIC incubees is a must, an added value for the program and for our company.
Being part of the ESA Business Incubation Center Portugal is particularly important because it has allowed us to enter new markets with high potential for growth, and to have access to Sentinel's optical data, and to start building our first prototype.
ESA BIC Portugal was the key to take out people like me from the field of university and to make the bridge between fundamental research like me, I'm a theoretical chemistry, and the entrepreneurship.
We are in the second year of program and we have support 12 startups. They work in UAVs, oil and gas, agriculture, healthcare, smart materials, sea and environment, and many other areas in non-space markets. ESA BIC Portugal aims to support 30 startups in the next 5 years that probably will create around 240 jobs and will have the ability to raise more than 6 million of capital invested.